Hey everybody! I'm starting by showing you the label for the canvas I'm using today, which is 8 by 24, so very, very narrow. Um, but my question is this brand. I get it from this local independent art store, craft store, and I was curious, so I went to look online to see like, oh, what does it cost online and whatnot. I can't find it. So I was just wondering if anybody has heard of Creative Art Tree or where it came from. So just curiosity. Whoa. Just curiosity. I really like their canvases because they're nice and light. Um, They're thick. They are back stapled though, which is interesting because a lot of the gallery rep, well, it's not, I guess, gallery rep since it's back stapled, but I found it interesting that it is back stapled, but I don't really care. They're good quality canvas. So I'm shaking up my white, which is what you're hearing. So I'm going to do a mallet smash on this. My intent is to do like 3 of them and then some flingies going down. And then have it hanging on a wall vertically with the smashes up here and kind of a dripping effect. We will see if I'm able to achieve that or not. So the colors, I am using the ARTEZA pouring acrylic colors. So these are pre-mixed. They just come straight from the bottle. I've got metallic wine red, lavender, forest green, which I still would not call this forest green, but whatevs. It's turquoise. Gold and bronze. So a little bit different colors for me. I always want to use the same colors, but then that gets really boring if you watch the same video over and over with the exact same colors. So let's have it. Pour my white. And this is mixed. This is ARTEZA titanium white, but there is also Artist Loft paint in here. So there's a couple different titanium whites, and they're Floetrol and water mixed. Because I did mix my house paint with the ARTEZA, and it just negates the beauty of the ARTEZA. And considering the ARTEZAs are sold out right now, who knows when they'll ever be back. So I don't want to waste their look. They're pretty. Also, I haven't had Dutch Boy paint in forever. I had been using, I bought Valspar, I got 2 for 1. It was on clearance, but it's matte, and it's eggshell. I don't like it for anything. I used it in my bathroom, and I don't even like it in there. So I need to repaint cabinetry in the bathroom. It worked fine on the cabinet that I did the mallet smash on, because you can't really tell that it's matte. But I'm not a big fan of the eggshell. Satin is where it's at. Just does not want to spread today. All right. Towel. And I cannot find, oh, it's been on the other side of the room. I've been looking right at it, trying to find the good mallet. I don't want to use the plastic one. But you can see how covered in paint it is, that it starts to get mixed. It blends in with everything else in my studio. Alright, I already shook these up. They need to be shook. Ooh, that's already a pretty combo. And it's going to have lots of metallics, 3 different metallics. Wow. That bounced weird. Like that ended up working a bit differently than usual. See all these air bubbles. Gosh, so many of the colors like disappeared almost. I don't know how I feel about it. I do not like it. Let's see if tilting. I don't care for it. I'm gonna try a flip and drag through it and see. Without that green took over completely. I like the colors, which is why I'm sticking with this one and not scraping it. not sure why the mallet smash didn't work. I don't know if I had too much white on the canvas. I really don't know. I realized that I just mumbled to myself. Somebody again was like, you mumble. I do mumble. It's because I talk to myself. I'm leaving these lines. I like those. Let's give it another torch. Way to look at it. I'd like it to go off the top. Give it a pretty hard tilt. Gotta get all the rest of that way back down to where it was. Beautiful. It did it. It did it exactly how I wanted it to do it. It moved as a unit. Right. Alrighty. A little bit of gold. That's like pretty much the only gold I see. It's got a nice organic movement to it. Nice peaceful look. Probably because of the colors as well as the movement of the paint. They both kind of go in harmony together. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I would love it if you subscribed and click the bell so that you're alerted when new videos come up. And I hope you have a wonderful morning, day, night, whatever it is for you. Bye.